Right now, air cargo makes up 35% of all global trade by value. Air cargo transportation is only expected to increase through the mid-2040s, but there is a bottleneck for air cargo's expansion. Currently, it is prohibitively expensive and cumbersome to ship to small outlying airports. This is because small cargo aircraft just can't handle the universal loading devices, or ULDs, that larger aircraft use. In order for a new airplane to be competitive in this market space, it would need to have the ability to transport and handle these ULDs quickly and efficiently. We were tasked with creating a preliminary design for such an aircraft, and with the help of Boeing, the AA department, and our faculty mentors, we are pleased to say that we were successful.
For this utility freighter, we had proposed a design of a high-wing, twin-turboprop, T-tail aircraft with a high aspect ratio.
Decision for the aspect ratio was based off of our requirements, being the span should be limited to 118 feet. Because the higher the aspect ratio, you would get more efficiency out of the wing. From our analysis, we determined the aspect ratio turned out to be 10 to 12.
To validate the structure design, the aircraft aspects such as fuselage, wing, payload deck, structures analysis are through the finite element analysis.
The aerodynamics department, we used OpenVSP because it runs fast. The software would help us predict the performance for the lift better as compared to the drag.
In order to validate the aerodynamic predictions that we made with OpenVSP, we decided to make a wind tunnel model that we tested in the 3x3 wind tunnel here at UW. And so to do that, we took the mesh of the aerodynamic model that we had been using in OpenVSP, and we sliced it up in SolidWorks to make a bunch of individual components that we then 3D printed and epoxied together, and then mounted those to a sting mount in the 3x3 wind tunnel, and used that to get CD and CL data.
Speaking of our status, we have completed a preliminary design and tested in the wind tunnel. And by next week, we will complete our acceptance review. The Boeing utility freighter hope our proposed solutions will bring a great impact to the air cargo industry in the future.